In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add an SMA on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader, then right-click in your chart and click on Indicators. Now we have here search type SMA. As you can see here, this is SMA. Click on it and click on Add. We have here the period. You have to choose the period you want. We have the 14, you can choose the 20, the 50, the 200, anything you want. So for me, I will choose 50 for this video. Scroll down a little bit and you will see here plot SMA, and this is the color. If you want to change it, click on that arrow and go to color, and you can change it to any color you want. So let's choose, for example, this crimson. We have here the width of the line. I will change it to 4 and click on apply. Click on OK. As you can see, this is our SMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.